Presiding officer of this 35th regular session, I call this session to order. Let us all stand for an opening prayer to be led by Honorable Hililio. Remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem.
Sa ngalan ni naman, inaki, pati ni Espiritu Santo. Kaguranan, minarani kami sa imong kaimbudan, asin sa imong pagkamot. Sa ganay nilugod kaguranan, hinahatag mi po ang samo na buhay, tanganing ang samo yung mga obligasyon na hinatag mo sa mo yung mga abaga, sa moya po kaguranan, magibo o Diyos. Kaguranan, tabangi kami o Diyos, sa amo kaguranan mga obligasyon, tanganing o Diyos, ining banwaan sambulan, kaguranan maging sayo kami kaguranan nakatabang para sa pag-unhan, san mga po, ginigibo dito po sa bulan. Kaguranan, sa oras na ini pagkasararo kami, kanhulikan sa imong biyaya, asin pagkamuot, nalugod da imo pagtugutan, na da kami magkasararo, sa desisyon na tama, hulikan sa imong pagbuot. Lugod ibaba mo, ang sa imong kahadian, sa mo'y nakatahawan, tanging mailang kaumika, ang sa imong pagbuotan, sa mo'y ang magibo. Lugod, kugosa kami kan sa imong pagkamot, tanganing o Diyos, mabatian mi, ang sa imong pagkamot sa aganin. Kagunan, salamat sa imo, lugod kaguranan, linalang kaumika sa samo na buhay, sa samo na pag-obligasyon, sa samo na buhay kaguranan. Inasa mo yung hinahagad, huli sa nga ni Kristo, na sa mo yung kaguranan, sa nga ni Ama ni Aki, pati ni Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Mr. Secretary, please call the roll.
Thank you, Your Honor. Attendance for the 35th regular session dated March 16, 2026. Honorable Cheska May B. Robles.
Present.
Honorable Attorney Danny A. Corsiga. Honorable Guillermo C. D. Castro Jr.
Present.
Honorable Renz Aler G. Guelas.
Present.
Honorable John Rainier C. Gordola.
Present po.
Honorable Geoffrey O. Asur. Honorable Vincent Tihao. Honorable Junita G. Guelas.
Present po.
Honorable Recto G. Valeriano. Honorable Rodel G. Helilio.
Present po.
Honorable Jerry Ann H. Gordola. Your Honor, I attest to the presence of quorum.
The chair declares quorum. Let's proceed to the reading and consideration of the minutes of the previous session.
Minutes of the 34th regular session of the 20th Sangguniang Bayan of Bulan, Province of Sorsogon, held on the second day of March 2026 at the Sangguniang Bayan Session Hall, New Legislative Building, this municipality. We had a perfect attendance that regular session, Your Honor. The regular session was called to order at 9:43 in the morning. The presiding officer, Honorable Cheska May B. Robles, requested the SB members to stand up for the prayer and singing of the Pambansang Awit. The Pambansang Awit was played on audio recording, followed by the invocation, led by Councilor Rodel Hililio. The presiding officer requested the secretary to the Sanggunian to call the roll. The presiding officer declared the presence of quorum. While the assistant secretary was reading the minutes of the regular session dated February 23, 2026, Councilor Leonita Guelas moved for its adoption, seconded by Councilor Rodel Hililio with no amendment. Question R. Councilor Vincent Howe moved for the suspension of the House rules, duly seconded by Councilor John Rainier Gordola. Mr. Excel Zuniga represented the Office of the Mayor and explained that the reason why the certified urgent proposed resolutions found in the second reading pertaining to the adoption of national laws for local implementation was needed to show solidarity with the mentioned program to the 20th Congress. It was clearly expressed by Councilor Attorney Danny Corsiga as nothing but symbolic support to ensure that said programs / laws would be implemented by the local chief executive as personally guaranteed by Mr. Excel Zuniga. Councilor Corsiga manifested that the Sangguniang Bayan, by approving said resolutions, was also impliedly authorizing itself to monitor thereof. With regards, proposed resolution number 2026-080 pertaining to the financial assistance to Marinab for 100,000 pesos, Mr. Zuniga referred to the augmentation fund of the mayor as its source. On proposed resolution number 2026-092, certified urgent, Councilor Guillermo de Castro Jr. was cautious that the SB was the one to reorganize the barangay nutrition committees, which
Excuse me, Madam Chair,
Honorable Azur.
the reading and the consideration of the minutes of the regular session dated March 2, 2026. If there is no suggestions, recommendation, or amendments, I move for the approval.
Second the motion.
Any objection? Hearing none in motion of Honorable Azur, seconded by Honorable Hililio, the minutes of the regular session dated March 2, 2026 is approved and adopted.
We now go to question or Your Honor. We have no one. So may we proceed with the first reading and referrals of measures or communication.
Please proceed.
For item number 1, we have proposed resolution number 2026115, SK 2026 annual budget of the laws for 312,361 pesos and 64 centavos, introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Refer to the Committee on Barangay Affairs. APRO, sorry.
Item number 2, proposed resolution number 2026114, barangay realignment of GATE for 75,000 pesos, introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Refer to the Committee on Appropriations and Budget.
Item number 3, proposed resolution number 2026122, SK 2026 annual budget of Marinab for 425,311 pesos and 69 centavos, Quezon 743,153 pesos and 96 centavos, and Libertad for 349,335 pesos and 09 centavos, introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Refer to the Committee on Appropriations and Budget.
Item number 4, proposed resolution number 2026118 for review, Tarumata Barangay Ordinance number 14, series of 2026 on large cattle and small animals, introduced by Councilor Rodel Helilio.
Refer to the Committee on Barangay Affairs.
Item number 5, proposed resolution number 2026117 for review, Tarumata Barangay Ordinance number 13, series of 2026 entitled Ordinansa sa pagpapatupad ng paglilimbag ng Barangay Identification Card ng Barangay Tarumata, Bulan, Sorsogon, introduced by Councilor Rodel Helilio.
Refer to the Committee on Barangay Affairs.
Item number 6, proposed resolution number 206-120 for review, San Juan Bago Barangay Ordinance number 002 series of 2026 pertaining to the Pagkilala Program for Excellence, introduced by Councilor Rodel Helilio.
Refer to the Committee on Barangay Affairs.
Item number 7, proposed resolution number 2026119 for review, San Juan Bago Barangay Ordinance number 001 series of 2026 entitled An Ordinance Institutionalizing an Annual Barangay Family Day in Barangay San Juan Bago and setting a fixed date for its celebration, providing funds therefore and for other purposes, introduced by Councilor Rodel Helilio.
Refer to the Committee on Barangay Affairs.
Item number 8, proposed resolution number 2026121 for review, Lahong Barangay Ordinance number 002 series of 2026 entitled An ordinance regulating the installation and removal of Wi-Fi and internet cables within the territorial jurisdiction of Barangay Lahong, Bulan, Sorsogon, introduced by Councilor Rodel Hililio.
Refer to the Committee on Barangay Affairs.
Item number 9, proposed resolution number 2026116, resolution granting renewal of accreditation to the BNCSA TODA with office address at Barangay Aquino, Bulan, Sorsogon for all legal intents and purposes, introduced by Councilor Geoffrey Asur.
Honorable Azul.
Okay, thank you, Madam Chair. The item number 9 and also the item number 11, the two item under the proceeding repairs of Mission of Communication is considered as renewal. So, Madam Chair, I move for the approval.
Second the motion.
Second.
Any objection? Hearing none, motion of Honorable Azur seconded by Honorable Valerian and Honorable Leonie Taguelas. Items number 9 and number 11 is approved.
Item number 10. Proposed appropriation ordinance number 01-2026, supplemental number 001-2026, section 321, use of savings through supplemental budget for various programs from various offices amounting 8,958,122 pesos and 83 centavos. Introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Refer to the Committee of the Whole.
Item number 11, proposed resolution number 2026113, resolution grant, tapos na po. Item number 12, proposed resolution number 2026109, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola of the Municipality of Bulan, Province of Sorsogon, to allocate the amount of 100,000 pesos for the Fisher Folk Livelihood Training on the processing of Laulao to be conducted on April 23 to 24, 2026 at Barangay Danao, Bulan, Sorsogon, North Coastal Areas. Introduced by Councilor Recto Valeriano.
Refer to the Committee on Agriculture. Committee on Agriculture.
Item number 13, proposed resolution number 2026110, resolution urging the creation of the position of municipal veterinarian in the municipality of Bulan, province of Sorsogon, in the appointment of qualified and licensed veterinarian thereto, introduced by Councilor Recto Valeriano.
Refer to the Committee on Agriculture.
Creation.
And Good Governance.
Actually, urging man lang eh.
Oo nga eh.
Urging man lang, dire man siya creation itself. So, sentiment lang, Madam Chair.
Pwede pa-approve mo na.
Actually, Madam Chair, dire dapat position, office.
Office.
So, ma-urge kita kay Mayor na mag-create sin office, barang Municipal Veterinary Office, and position na rin.
So, amendment?
Pwede na.
Dire po, siguro pwede man i-refer na lang, ano na lang kami sa executive. Kung
Nano, an pleasure tabi sa
author.
author. Gusto mo po ipa-approve na or i-refer? Kay ano man po lang po pala ini-resolution lang. Urging diri man talaga siyan ordinance for creation.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Actually, okay naman kan Mayor, nagka-istoryahan naman kami na aadalan niya. Then, di rin man siya nag-comment na habo.
Okay.
So, proposed resolution number 2026-110, resolution urging the creation of the position of municipal veterinarian in the municipality of Bulan, province of Sorsogon, and the appointment of qualified and licensed veterinarian thereto. I move for approval, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair, before
Honorable,
approval. Siguro ibutang na lang po nato na ano na parang urging the local chief executive to create a veterinary office per RA 7160 baga. Nakabutan po yun sa provisions on 7160 na pag ang munisipyo is first class, sa requirement is mag-put up sin veterinary office. Mao na lang, para mas may
An
legal.
office na po mismo, dili lang po ito na department
Position.
head, kung okay lang po sa author.
At least mayon kita sa address tabi sa author, at least mayon kita sin legal basis kung ano kay in-urge na to an executive mag-create sin office per local government code.
I think, Madam Chair, since this is a resolution, then the next is creating of ordinance for this purpose, Madam Chair.
Bali, second step na po yun, Madam Chair, na.
Na item, opo.
parang
Kaya puhan po muna talaga mag-create sa office bago po ang mga specific na items. Resolution man lang.
i-refer mo na
Dili po, i-approve to na,
Approve
pero
na
mas
po.
okay po siguro na creating the municipal veterinary office para buong opisina na po siya.
okay, Madam Chair.
With amendment na lang po, ha?
So,
Motion. There is a pending motion by Honorable Recto Valeriano.
Madam Chair, I second the motion with amendments.
Okay. Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable Recto Valeriano, seconded by Honorable De Castro, proposed resolution number 2026110 is approved with amendment.
Madam Chair,
Honorable De Castro.
bali po an himontan yan, ang mga first reading and referral, pwede kita magpa-approve doon.
Kung i-approve niyo niyan, kung i-approve na niyo ang IRP, meaning to say, tapos gusto na niyo i-implement to the strictest possible, mao ta na, pero sa niyan, aning gagamit ta, status quo gyapon.
So pwede pa mag-approve.
Pamati, oo.
Kasi
Di pa
dili pa
man
approve
niyo di pa man niyo pina-approve ang amendment sa IRP.
Once adopted tabi ang amendment, pwede man kami magpa-approve, pero ma-motion kami na under suspended
Suspension,
rule.
oo.
With the permission sa August body.
Sa 2/3.
For clarification.
May
Madam Chair.
ma-motion para mag-suspend sa rules.
Opo, parang kunwari, nag-motion kasi in approval under suspended rules with the permission from the August body. So kung may mag-object, maburutuhan pag nilog sa ono.
Mao.
Ito-thirds eh.
Kay ka mo mabalga ka mo sa rules niyo.
Searching 2/3 of the
first reading.
whole sangguniang or on present lang?
And whole.
Whole, so 7.
2/3 Pag nagka-count sa 2/3, pero may yung base sa whole. Dili kay sa present.
Okay.
So for the meantime, okay pa man.
Okay pa man.
Okay.
Item number 14. Proposed Resolution number 2026108, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to enter into and sign a memorandum of agreement with the 2nd Sorsogon Police Mobile Force Company, Barangay Aquino, Bulan, Sorsogon, for the grant of financial assistance in the amount of 120,000 pesos for the implementation of the Binhi ng Katahimikan Program, introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Refer to the Committee on Appropriations and Budget.
Item number 15, proposed resolution number 206-107, resolution adopting and supporting the implementation of Republic Act number 8976, otherwise known as the Philippine Food Fortification Act of 2000, in the municipality of Bulan, Sorsogon, introduced by Councilor Vincent Tao.
Madam Chair.
The proposed resolution number 2026107, since wala man po sa funding na require. So I move for the approval on first and
Second.
second the motion.
Motion of Honorable House, seconded by Honorable Azur, Honorable J.R. Gordola, and Honorable Valeriano. Proposed resolution number 2026107 is approved.
Item number 16, proposed resolution number 2026103, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to enter into and sign a memorandum of agreement with the 2nd Sorsogon Police Mobile Force Company, Barangay Aquino, Bulan, Sorsogon, for the grant of financial assistance in the amount of 160,000 pesos for the implementation of the project Kapatid, Kabataan ay pangalagaan, turuan at pag-ibayuhin ang disiplina, introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Refer to the Committee on Appropriations and Budget.
We now go to committee report, Your Honor.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Guelas.
Before we proceed to the committee report, can we go back to the item number 10, though it was already referred to the committee? May i-raise lang po ako na observation. Ini po na item number 10, Proposed Appropriation Ordinance number 1-2026. May na-notice po ako, some items na butang po sa program were already included dito po sa 5 million na savings po nato. Niya naka-include po ulit siya dito sa 8 million. Magkaiba ba yan, Pante?
Ano ini-refile or ano?
Ano na lang, Madam Chair?
During the committee hearing?
Opo, committee hearing na lang po. Kaya maski po ako,
Na-confuse ka?
Opo.
Opo, i-mention ko lang po, na-observe ko, the same items, pareho po si na libreng goma, tapos lot acquisition sa GDL Pilar. Naka-include na po siya sa 5 million, tapos niyan, included po ulit siya sa 8 million.
I-take note na lang, i-discuss during the committee hearing.
Opo, kay kung pwede po, i-include na lang, ito na request ko po sa executive. Budget sa SB. Thank you, Madam Chair.
So, Your Honor, we now go to committee report. Your Honor.
Committee reports.
Our first committee report, Your Honor, is submitted by the Committee on Appropriations and Budget. Item number 1 and 2. Proposed Resolution number 2026-100, SK Supplemental Budget of San Francisco and San Juan Bago. Proposed Resolution number 2026-099, SK 2026 Annual Budget of G. Del Pilar, Iquerino, Zone 3, Coco Cabitan, and Aquino. The recommendation of the Committee on Appropriations and Budget, approval of proposed resolution number 2026-100 and proposed resolution number 2026-099.
Madam Chair.
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
Thank you po for those two items po under committee report. Proposed resolution number 2026-100 and PR number 2026-099. Motion for adoption and approval po sa committee hearing.
Second the motion.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Howe, the committee report on the Committee on Appropriations and Budget is approved and adopted.
Our second committee report, Your Honor, is submitted by the Committee on Appropriations and Budget. Item number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 14. Proposed Resolution number 2026-098, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Gamay Gordola, to enter into and sign a memorandum of agreement for the grant of financial assistance to the barangay government of Tarumata, this municipality, in the amount of 20,000 pesos intended for the construction of stage roofing of Tarumata 2 Elementary School, Bulan District. Proposed Resolution number 2026-097, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Gamay Gordola, to sign for and on behalf of the municipality of Bulan a contract of agreement with Melville Glass and Aluminum Supply for the procurement of furnitures and fixture used at Municipal Local Civil Register Office amounting 30,490 pesos only through small value procurement under Republic Act number 12009, chargeable to the trust fund. Proposed Resolution number 2026-086, MDC Resolution number 6, series of 2026, entitled Approving and Endorsing to the Sangguniang Bayan Programs, Projects, and Activities under the Unobligated Balance from Finished Projects amounting 540,642 pesos and 15 centavos from the 2025 20% Development Fund for inclusion in the Annual Investment Program for 2026 for their adoption and approval. Proposed Resolution number 2026-085, MDC Resolution number 5, Series of 2026, entitled Resolution Approving and Endorsing to the Sangguniang Bayan Additional Programs, projects, and activities for inclusion in the Annual Investment Program 2026 for their adoption and approval. Proposed Resolution Number 2026-084, MDC Resolution Number 4, Series of 2026, entitled Resolution Approving and Endorsing to the Sangguniang Bayan the Realigned Programs, Projects, and Activities under the available cash savings for supplemental to other PPAs amounting 5,958,122 pesos and 83 centavos as December 31, 2025 for inclusion in the Annual Investment Program for 2026 for their adoption and approval. Proposed Resolution Number 2026-083, MDC Resolution Number 03, Series of 2026, entitled Resolution Approving and Endorsing to the Sangguniang Bayan their realigned programs, projects, and activities under the 20% Development Fund for inclusion in the Annual Investment Program for 2026 for their adoption and approval. Proposed Ordinance Number 16-2026, an ordinance providing incentives to the successful Sustainable Livelihood Program or SLP Association in the Municipality of Bulan, Sorsogon, and appropriating funds therefore. The recommendation of the committee, approval of proposed resolution number 2026-098, 097, 086, 085, 084, and 083, and deferment of proposed ordinance number 16-2026.
Madam Chair.
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
Thank you po. For the items number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 14, motion for adoption po.
Second.
Mr. Chair, Madam Chair,
Honorable Hao.
before the approval, ito po na in-raise na question ni Aler na sa 8 million na bagang an sa 5 million nakakopya. Ano hunta si D?
MDC pa malang tabiin.
Ito na savings na ha.
Oo. Sa MDC pa malang tabiin.
Okay. There is a pending motion by Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Recto Valeriano. The committee report to the Committee on Appropriations and Budget are approved and adopted.
Ito savings na.
Our third committee report, Your Honor, is item number 12.
Item number 12.
Sponsored by the Committee on Health, Population, and Social Services. Proposed Resolution Number 2026-092, Resolution reorganizing the Barangay Nutrition Committees and establishing Barangay Nutrition Clusters in the Municipality of Bulan, Province of Sorsogon. The recommendation of the committee, disapproval of Proposed Resolution Number 2026-092.
Disapproval.
Madam Chair.
Honorable Hao.
Committee report 2026-092, I move for the approval and adoption. The committee reports.
Any second to the motion?
Madam Chair.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable Hao, seconded by Honorable Dondon De Castro. The committee report in the Committee on Health is approved and adopted.
Di ba explain kung nakita na sa group?
May hindi man binasa.
De Castro.
Wala man basahan eh.
Dili man imbasa ang finding.
Basahan na, Mark. Tabi.
Recommendation lang eh.
Okay, nano kay
Ano findings ko na
Okay, here are the findings of for the committee report of proposed resolution number 2026-092.
May executive order pa sa
Honorable Guillermo,
Ayan.
findings number 1, Honorable Guillermo C. De Castro Jr. verified that the said resolution should not be addressed to the Sangguniang Bayan since the context of the said resolution was barangay level in nature. On the other hand, barangay nutrition committees was already reorganized and an executive order was already issued by the municipal mayor. Mr. Eman Gordola, Municipal Nutrition Action Officer, or MNOW, confirmed to the committee that even him tend to be curious and questioned due to the existing executive order made and handed by the municipal mayor. Number 3, that Honorable Guillermo C. De Castro Jr. imposes that the Sangguniang Bayan has no power to supersede or intervene any executive order duly executed by local chief executive. Number 4, the committee chairman, Honorable Vincent Tihao, and committee members agreed with the reasons and clarification of the aforementioned proposed resolution. The committee hearing thereby ended with affirmative clarification. That's all. The
Madam
findings.
Chair.
Honorable Dondon de Castro.
Para ma-explain lang na mo further. Bali, ang requestan nutrition officer nato kay parang inayuan sa province ba ito ha? Parang inayuan sa province na dapat may kunusin either resolution or executive order and mayor. So dahil soon nag-ano siya sa Sangguniang Bayan, nakitan maghimo sin resolution na reorganize ang council sa nutrition ang BNS. Wala man yung tabi sa function sa Sangguniang Bayan, an executive soon na nag-i-issue in order for reorganization. So dito na-clarify na mo na maski siya, naimod niya, ang nakabutan pala na requirements para maka-avail san parang 5 points ata na irugsoon, either EO or resolution. So dahil may existing na EO na, si Mayor, diri naman kay Pohan soon. And sabi na lang namo, if ever gusto sa province na i-adapt sa Sangguniang Bayan ang new organization na inhimo ni Mayor, dito na lang kami masulod. Pero wala sa function ta, nakitan magsabi sin i-reorganize na rayon. So kaya po na disapprove yun na resolution reorganizing the Nutrition Council ba yun?
Pero may executive order na si Mayor.
Okay. Noted.
Our fourth committee report, Your Honor, is submitted by the Committee on Barangay Affairs. Item number 9, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. Proposed Resolution number 2026-082 for review, Otavi Barangay Ordinance number 001, Series of 2026, entitled 9, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22.
Thank you.
Proposed Resolution number 2026-082 for review, Otavi Barangay Ordinance number 001, Series of 2026, entitled An Ordinance Requiring All Beach Resorts Operating Within the Jurisdiction of Barangay Otavi for Safety and Protection of Visitors. Proposed Resolution number 2026-070 for review, JP Laurel Barangay Ordinance number 01, Series of 2026, entitled Isang Ordinansa na nagtatakda ng mga panuntunan sa responsableng pag-aalaga ng aso sa JP Laurel, Bayan ng Bulan, Lalawigan ng Sorsogon. Proposed Resolution number 2026-069 for review, Lahong Barangay Ordinance number 2, Series of 2026, entitled An Ordinance Establishing Night Checkpoint for All Persons Entering and Exiting the Barangay. Now, proposed Resolution number 2026-068 for review, San Isidro Barangay Ordinance number 1, Series of 2026, entitled An Ordinance Requiring All Residential Houses and Piggery Operators or Backyard and Commercial within the Barangay San Isidro of Bulan, Sorsogon to construct and maintain a hygienic septic tank prohibiting direct discharge of waste into waterways and prescribing penalties for violation thereof. Proposed Resolution number 2026-067 for review, Cococabitan Barangay Ordinance, entitled An Ordinance Adopting the Alternative Learning System Law or RA 11510 at Barangay Cococabitan, Bulan, Sorsogon, providing policy adoption thereof. Proposed Resolution number 2026-066 for review, Otavi Barangay Ordinance number 005, Series of 2026, entitled An Ordinance Adopting the Municipal Ordinance 1996-40, an ordinance prohibiting tumult, drunkenness, on intoxication behavior in a drunken, boisterous, rude, or insolent manner in any public place and prohibiting penalties thereat. Proposed Resolution number 2026-065 for review, Tagumata Barangay Ordinance number 12, Series of 2026, entitled An Ordinance Regulating All Types of Motor Vehicles which have motorcycle devices that amplify the regular muffler or swapping out the open pipes, mufflers, resulting to the emission of excessive and unreasonable extra loud noise and providing penalties for violating thereof. Proposed Resolution Number 2026-064 for review with IRR, Zone 2, Barangay Ordinance Number 2, Series of 2026, entitled An Ordinance Providing Cash Assistance to Qualified Students of Barangay Zone 2 who are taking Graduate Studies Program, appropriating funds therefore and other purposes. Proposed Resolution Number 2026-063 for review with IRR, Zone 2, Barangay Ordinance Number 01, Series of 2026, entitled An Ordinance Institutionalizing the Grant of Incentives and Recognition to those who became top-notchers in board and bar examinations, appropriating funds thereof and for other purposes. The recommendation of the committee: approval of proposed resolution number 2026-070, Coco Cabitan Ordinance. Proposed resolution number 2026-065, Tarumata Ordinance. Proposed resolution number 2026-064, Barangay Zone 2 Ordinance. Proposed resolution number 2026-063, another ordinance from Barangay Zone 2. Approval with amendments for proposed resolution number 2026-070, Barangay Ordinance of JP Laurel. And proposed resolution number 2026-069, ordinance from Barangay Lahong. Reschedule due to the absence of the resource person for proposed resolution number 2026-080 and proposed resolution number 2026-066 and 2026-068.
Madam Chair,
Honorable House.
since nag-excuse na po ang chairman, I'm the vice chairman of the Barangay Affairs. So the item number 15, 16, 9, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I move for the adoption and approval and with
Second.
amendment, Madam Chair.
Second
Committee
motion.
reports.
Any objection?
Second motion.
Hearing none, in motion of Honorable House seconded by Honorable Valerian and Honorable Unita Guelas, the committee report in the Committee on Barangay Affairs is approved and adopted with amendment.
Our fifth committee report, Your Honor, is submitted by the Joint Committee on Barangay Affairs and Committee on Rules, Privileges, and Amendments. Item number 23, proposed ordinance number 15-2026, an ordinance establishing the Bulan Barangay Legislative Assistance and Writing Support BILOS program, providing technical and legislative consultancy service to barangay officials and other purposes. The recommendation of the joint committees, deferment of proposed ordinance number 15-2026.
Madam Chair,
Honorable De Castro.
I move for the approval and adoption of the committee report with regards to item number 23.
Second.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable De Castro, seconded by Honorable Valeriano, the committee report and the Committee on Good Governance is approved and adopted. Rules, Committee on Rules
And Barangay Affairs.
and Barangay Affairs. Rules.
Our sixth committee report, Your Honor, is submitted by the Committee of the Whole. Item number 25, proposed resolution number 2026-042, resolution amending some sections of resolution number 156, series of 2025, or the internal rules of procedure for better legislative process by the 20th Sangguniang Bayan of the Municipality of Bulan, Province of Sorsogon. The recommendation, approval with amendments of the internal rules of procedure of the Sangguniang Bayan.
Ano ito, committee?
Committee of the Whole. Ang sa IRP.
Ay, sa IRP.
Number na ba ito? 35? 35? 35? 25?
Ay, wala naman si Dan.
Committee report.
Adoption lang.
Adoption.
Kami na po. So, Madam Chair.
Bolo ka mo.
Madam Chair, tabi.
Honorable J.R. Gardola.
Thank you po. Under committee report, item number 25, proposed resolution number 2026-042, motion for adoption po.
I second the motion.
Any objection? Hearing none, motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable De Castro and Honorable Howe. The committee report in the Committee of the Whole is approved.
With the indulgence of our presiding officer and the chairman of the Committee on Urban Housing and Land Use Development, may isa ko pa po didi na committee report regarding po sa ito na sa pag-donate sa lote sa Zone 5. Councilor Arler.
Yes po. Good morning, Madam Chair. Nano po ba ito, Kuya Mark, na PR number, tabi?
2025-448.
Item number.
2025-448.
Madam Chair. Thank you. Yes po. Ini po na committee report, if you would notice, diri po siya naka-include, ini po na item, diri po naka-include sa agenda ta because it was laid on the table early this year. Dahil po, ini po regarding sa Zone 5, ito po na donation supposedly sa barangay. Kasi po, during our first committee hearing na kinandak pa last year, na found out na ito po na mayroon po conflict sa ingod na masagasaan tapuan SLI, titled property, which is part of the property na gusto po sana i-donate sa LGU. So, sa first committee hearing po, ang recommendation sa to is that i-defer ta muna, then we referred it back to the executive na tagan kita muna sin technical description yan ang histories and property before we can approve the donation. So since wala pa man po feedback on executive early this year by January, in-move ko po siya to lay on the table. However po, because of follow-ups and request of the council, Barangay Council of Zone 5, kay Kapitan Engineer Nonoy Diesta, to conduct another hearing. So we did. So we conducted another committee hearing where the recommendation is for the disapproval of this resolution. Ang reason po is that ang Sangguniang Bayan, it is beyond our control or jurisdiction na mag-nullify san sayo na property na titled na. We can only transfer basta clean and property. Wala sin problema, wala po sin dispute. So, mao po yun na naging recommendation. So, the recommendation of this committee report is the disapproval po of this proposed resolution 2025-448. But before that, I'd like to move to take back to the table this PR number 2025-448.
There's a motion to take to the table PR
Second.
448. Any
Second.
objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable Alerguala, seconded by Honorable J.R. Gordola, PR 448 is taken to the table.
Likewise, Madam Chair, I move for the adoption of the committee report.
Second.
Any second? Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable Alerguala, seconded by Honorable J.R. Gordola, the committee report on the Committee on Land Use with regards to PR 448 is adopted.
Okay na, Mark. We now go to calendar of business, Your Honor. For letter A, unfinished business, item number 1, proposed resolution number 2026077, SK 2026 annual budget of San Vicente for 1,02,690 pesos and 25 centavos, and Kadandanan for 340,807 pesos and 93 centavos. The recommendation, Your Honor, was approval with amendment.
Madam Chair.
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
Thank you po. Sa under unfinished business po, item number 1, proposed resolution number 2026-077. Paras po ini may amendments ang SK San Vicente and Cadandanan. Paras naman po nakakomply sin amendment. So, motion for approval po.
Sabay mo na.
Second.
Isabay ko na rin po, Madam Chair. And number 2 and number 3. So, motion for approval po sa tulo po na items. Thank you po.
Second motion.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Valeriano, items number 1, proposed resolution number 2026-077, item number 2, 2026-076B, and proposed resolution number 2025-595 are approved on second reading.
Item number 4 is proposed resolution number 2025-581, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to execute a deed of donation of a parcel of land owned by the municipal government of Bulan, identified as survey number 1056 portion, lot number 003, block 01, located at Barangay Imelda, Bulan, Sorsogon, with an area of 2,000 square meters, in favor of the Barangay Government of Imelda, this municipality, for the purpose of establishing a barangay site and the construction of a covered court. The last recommendation, Your Honor, was deferred.
Nagsabit na sa technical, wala pa.
Oh, motion.
Motion.
Madam Chair,
Honorable
the item
Howe.
number 4, I move for the deferment.
Second.
Second, Madam Chair.
Any objection? Hearing none, this item is deferred pending the submission of the technical description.
Item number 5, Your Honor. Proposed resolution number 2026-008, resolution adopting the local public transport route plan 2025 to 2030 of the municipality of Bulan, Sorsogon, and authorizing its submission to the Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board and other concerned agencies. Introduced by Councilor Geoffrey Asur, this was deferred on March 2, 2026.
Wala pa.
Okay, Madam Chair.
Honorable Azur.
Under the unfinished business, the 2 item, the proposed resolution number 2026-008 and also the proposed resolution number 2025-046. Awaiting pa po tayo, pending communication from LTFRB. So I move for deferment.
Second.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable Azur, seconded by Honorable Valeriano, these 2 items are deferred pending the communication, official communication from the LTFRB.
Item number 7, proposed ordinance number 03-2026, an ordinance amending Article 5, or Article 15, Section 103 of Ordinance number 2023-2 for Traffic Management and Control Board Resolution number 1, Series of 2026, introduced by Councilor Geoffrey Asur. This was deferred on March 2, 2026.
Okay, Madam Chair, the item number 7, the proposed resolution number, the proposed ordinance number 20206. So, waiting pa po tayo sa sa PSO, si Mr. Gray. So I move for deferment.
Second.
This item is deferred pending the recommendation of our PSO.
Item number 8, proposed resolution number 2026-006 for review, Barangay Argerona Ordinance number 001-2026, isang ordinansang nagtatakda ng mahigpit na alituntunin sa pag-aalaga ng baboy o backyard piggery sa loob ng Barangay Argerona, Bayan ng Bulan, lalawigan ng Sorsogon, at nagpapataw ng kaukulang parusa sa mga lalabag dito. The last, Your Honor, was deferred, although lampas na in 1 month.
May amendment na.
Wala pa, Madam Chair. The item number 8, 9, and 10.
Ano na yun?
Wala pa man kuno ini pinasa na amendments.
Ano na yun, Your Honor? Lampas na siya sa
Kaso
1 month.
lapses na. So,
Lampas na siya 1 month
disapprove na
eh.
ini.
Dire, approved by operation of law.
So,
Deemed approved na ini by operation of law.
So, Madam Chair, the item number 8, 9, 10, since lapses na sa 30 days, lapses na eh.
Your Honor, may I speak? Dapat pa no, ang mga barangay ordinance, ma-actionan niyo sa sulod sin 30 days.
Approve or
Since
disapprove.
na-file. An action niyo, duwa man lang, approve or disapprove. Kung nasa committee level pa siya, ipa-disapprove na niyo. Kay dapat, duwa man lang ang action na kaipuhan sa sulod sin 30 days, approved or disapprove. Diri reason na nasa committee level pa siya or kulang pa singkunano. Dapat within 30 days maano tulos.
Paano po kung diri pa po nakapasa sin amendment?
Dapat
means,
i-disapprove na siya.
Disapprove na po.
Dapat i-disapprove na niyo at once, as soon as possible, sa sulod sa 30 days.
So, ini dapat i-disapprove na.
Dere, approve na siya by operation of law. No need to act. Kamo. No need to act anymore.
Wala na si motion na mangyayari
Kung
po.
naisipon niyo, wala na motion, kaya approve na ini by operation of law.
Dapat
Isusulat
prior-
na lang ini ka na.
Prior sa 38th day, dinis-approve na, kaya di man nagko-comply ang barangay ko ta.
Dapat i-disapprove na prior to the 30 days.
Kaya
Period.
di man nagko-comply ang barangay. Ang problema, kay diri nato na himuan sin action. So, dim approve siya.
Approve.
Ya paano kung illegal? I mean, kung may
Yun
mga
na nga ni.
provision.
So dapat right away, i-disapprove niyo kung illegal.
Dapat, dinisapprove na.
So, reminder
So,
na lang.
bubutangan ko na lang tabi ni disseminates in deemed approved by operation of law.
Kasi January 26 pa siya nag-committee hearing. Tapos February 2, second reading. So March 16 na niyan. Lagpas na talaga.
Oo.
Kaya puro nakabutang naguhulat sa amendments eh.
Pagpapasa.
Nag-lapse na siya.
Naglaps kita sa March 2.
Remind na lang po ang chairman.
Mga tabi, Madam Chair.
Deem approved.
Tabi, manibutang. No need ka mo mag-action. Deemed approved na siya.
Wala na.
Okay. Next, business for the day.
We now go to business for the day, Your Honor. Letter B. Item number 1, proposed resolution number 2026112, certified urgent. A resolution authorizing Mr. Roberto G. Abayon, Officer in Charge, Assistant Municipal Treasurer, to sign vouchers, disbursement checks, payrolls, remittances, and other regularly recurring transactions on behalf of the Acting Municipal Treasurer, Ms. Marisa G. Gueta, during her leave of absence or official travel.
Madam Chair, tabi.
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
Thank you. So, para maiwasan tapuan mga delay para sa payrolls and other disbursement, remittances, since si Ma'am Marisa Gueta, kung ma-travel man po, may kapalit po siya. So, motion for approval po, Madam Chair.
Second.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Recto Valeriano, proposed resolution number 2026112 is approved. Sana tabi, pati sa iba pa na mga,
Accounting, Madam
like
Chair.
accounting, HR, sana mag-designate man pwede magpirma pag wara sira. Kay
Madam Chair.
minsan napipending 1 week, 2 weeks
Opo.
pag nasa travel, lalo na halos every month may own seminar na ina-attendan ang mga department heads ta. Actually, napapagal kita lalo na sa mga clearances ng mga documents. Kay di rin man nagtutugot ang iba magpirma.
Opo.
Kay wala man kuno sira authority.
Actually, Madam Chair, with regards sa pag-designate sin OIC, nasa department head. Ang naging different lang kaya sininakan OBET, kaya nagdodraw siya sin funds from the treasury. So, which is kay Puwan sin Sangguniang Bayan resolution. Pero with regards, kunwari, for example, ang HR ngaya, pwede man siya mag-appoint sin OIC without the SB resolution. Mga pagkaaram ko. Kaya
Nasa civil service rules? An automatic designation,
Pag-designate ng
pag-take
OIC.
over sa assistant.
Paano kung EO?
Nagkataon lang
automatic.
tabi,
CSC.
Madam Chair, kay si Obet, ang case niya is sa Treasury, which is nagdo-draws in funds, nakipuhan talaga approval from the Sangguniang Bayan.
Oo. Siguro mahimo na lang pwede mo maghimo search in resolution reminding na mag-assign si Rasen OIC. Although, aram ko may executive order sa nakaagi na
May EO po.
dapat may yato na plan.
Opo.
Kay last week, wala po baga si
Opo.
si accountant. Di 1 week tenggaan mga papel ta kay habo man mag
Pero may nagpipirma.
O dili po siya nagpipirma.
May designate.
Dinesignate siya pero like parehas sa clearances, dili man siya nagpipirma.
Kay mayo na dasin.
Ako, napirmahan ang sa ako.
Ansa ako din napirmahan. Kay
Badi man yung kapasin liability.
buro man ako liability. Kay sabi wala on travel si inhulatan pagbalik. Mauman po si HR
Ang aram ko, Madam Chair, may EO talaga po na
na automatic.
nakagi pa.
Irog soon kay
Remind na lang.
remind kay syempre
Civil service, ano pala yun, requirement.
Hindi pa kaipuhan talaga yun sa Treasury.
Okay, kaya na. So we now go to item number 2. Item number 2 is proposed resolution number 2026111, certified urgent. Resolution, tabi. Sa item number 1, tabi, okay lang sa iyo ha, ayaw ako sindi yun na exception kay, wala bagang kita tabi paka-session last week ha. So, base maapiki na sa oras si Obet, mapalibot na lang po ako sa resolution ha. Kay totally in-approve naman niyo. Kay bagasan ang balita ako, last week ada mahali si Marisa. So kung Monday ta papirmahan ang resolution ni Obet, base maalangan. Kaya kung okay lang po sa iyo, mapalibot na lang tayo.
Nakalive na po siya. Nakalive.
Pero si Obet nakalib man.
Dire, at least on our part,
On travel man si Obet.
ready na ready na ang
Okay,
resolution.
para sa transaction na Monday, pwede
Oo,
na magsulod.
oo, para di kita maano. Okay lang po ha. So ini man lang ani palibot ta.
Wala vacuum sa.
Okay, wala man kita paka-session last week.
Ano pag irog so na nakalive man?
Di man, kita man na-out. Unless mag-leave man siya during the period na inauthorize na siya. Negligence niya. Dapat. So anyway po, item number 2 is proposed resolution number 2026111, certified urgent. Resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to enter into a memorandum of agreement with the Department of Social Welfare and Development for the implementation of the Social Pension for Indigent Senior Citizens Program.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Lini Taguelas.
proposed resolution number 2026111. So, need ta siguro i-approve para po sa mga social pensions sa mga senior citizen. So, Madam Chair, I move for approval.
Second motion.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable Lini Taguelas, seconded by Honorable Recto Valeriano, proposed resolution number 2026111 is approved.
Item number 3, Your Honor, proposed resolution number 2026106, certified urgent. Resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to enter into and sign a memorandum of agreement for the grant of financial assistance to Marinab Integrated School, Barangay Marinab, this municipality, in the amount of 100,000 pesos intended for the rehabilitation or repair of the Marcos-type building with 3 rooms of Marinab Integrated School, Barangay Marinab, Bulan, Sorsogon.
Madam Chair, tabi.
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
Thank you po for the item number 3. Since diri ko pa po aram kung din ko kuha ni Mayor sa budget tabi. Refer na lang po sa appropriations.
Refer?
Refer po.
Di pa man approve na ito,
Di pa man po.
Di pa approve,
Di
okay.
pa man po. Refer lang po, Madam Chair.
This item is referred to the Committee on Appropriations and Budget.
Madam Chair,
No,
siguro pwede man, may ba prerogative na i-refer sa ano? If ever?
In research ko yan to na, ano baga tabi, with your permission, gihapon tabi.
Sige.
Okay na.
In research ko yan to na sabi ni Kagawadan din na hanapan ko kuno sa legal basis. ang legal basis adto is ang right niyo to include sa IRP and sa paghuna niyo tama himuon. Since wala man si nagsasabi na sa layad to, mayong kamusin authority to include it into your IRP.
So pwede naman na even if it's kumbaga certified urgent, pwede naman refer sa committee.
Basta kung mauan gusto somebody. Yan to, ang magiging violation pala son kung mauan mo niyo, mo yan to na ang prerogative ni Mayor for urgency na dapat nasa second reading na siya. So, mababiolate niyo yan to kung i-refer back niyo sa committee. Pero yan to na inihimo ni Kagawad JR na from committee report, ipapamove na niya diretso for second reading. Talagang violation niya to sa rules. So, ang mangyayari sa to, isususpend muna niya ang rules para diri niya ma-violate.
And rules.
Pero mao gihapon tabi ang ma-apply sa to. Duwa gihapon tabi na motion yun Kagawad JR, ma-motion ka to suspend the rules.
Okay.
And then, ang reason mo is mao tabi ito na approve mo. Ipapa-include mo for second reading and nasa committee report.
Okay.
Tapos, kung ipapa-approve mo pa diretso.
Okay.
And with regards to na urgent na in-refer back to the committee.
Kaya, yung erog sa Nick, sir.
Oo, yung tabi, malinaw na ma-violate kita doon na rule. So, so maski isuspend niyo siya, i-violate niyo ang prerogative ni Mayor for urgency, which is included sa local government code.
Kahit na walang resource person na ano.
Ano na suon?
Deferment.
It's either i-defer mo or i-disapprove mo or i-approve mo. Duwa lang na bagay. Disapprove or approve. Kay mao lang ang action na pwede. Ang deferment nga, di ba not considered as an action?
Opo.
So kung wala representative, na wala makasimbag po sa body,
Sa committee.
wala makadefend na konsehal, dapat i-disapprove na siya. Kung urgent talaga yun kasi, dapat yadian ano.
Yadi ko ta. Mao nga po, Madam Chair. Since para sa gihapon sa dilemma.
Oo.
So, mauman po yun ang risk soon. Since nasa second reading na siya, an urgency for approval is kaupod na siya doon. Kaupod man son an urgency for disapproval kung wala sin ma-defend.
Dabo ko man i-disapprove kasi binoses ni Mayor sa Marinab.
So kay puhan nga ni magpadara siya ni Sintaw.
Kaya lang, ang ano ko lang kasi, ang concern ko kasi kung din kukuhaan ko sa donations or barangay augmentation.
Apo, siguro pag...
Kasi sa barangay augmentation fund, diri ini masulod kasi may iyon bagasin separation sa school. Diba po?
Ansa niyan po, Kagawad, di pa man baga nag-i-effect ito nasa IRP. Okay lang po. Status ko muna kita.
Pero sa sunod, mauna yun.
Pag once na ma-approve.
Pero in a way, maski wara pa nato kadapan IRP, imba-violate na nato ang urgent na inihimo sa mayor. Diba? Kaya diri siya included sa IRP. Kaya ang pag-certify urgent sa mayor, local government code. Diri mao po. So in a way, nagba-violate na ita. Kaya lang, di pa nato na ka-clarify niyan. So, mao yun ang kisira siguro, maging aware ang executive. Kung ano nga ni Kai, pero minamo, insasabi yun ni Kuya JR pa, high ng sense of urgency. Naghatag na nga ni unta, nagsuggest na unta baga si Councilor Dandin na mahatag kita sin palugit na 3 sessions. Pero sabi nga ni, pag 3 sessions na di ka pa nagbubutwa, di rin yan urgent.
Dapat 1 session lang.
Opo, parang...
Aram niyo, minsan, maraot man sabihon, kung i-disapprove niyo yun, makamang na yun dito na executive.
Oo, talaga. Kaya kung urgent talaga
Masabi
siya...
na kayo din-disapprove. Di man ka mo nagpadarasin,
pero kaya kung urgent talaga yun, dapat mayon talaga makanhi.
Siguro, pumili lang ka mo sin. Pwede niyo i-disapprove.
Kaya inihinguha man ko ta body accommodate yan to na urgency.
Para po sa ni Madam Chair na masunod, number 4, mapatindog ang RHU second floor para sa lying in. Ora man sa...
Pwede niyo i-disapprove kaya ano pala nini?
Diri ko din aram kung din po, kukuha ko siya, pwedeng sa 20%, undiin. O may trust fund patabi ang RHU. O
Kagawad JR, an istorya sini. Pwede niyo i-disapprove kaya, an istorya sini. Di man kuno nagtugot ang World Bank na second floor. Dapat kuno, separate building pero 1 floor. So, aninuhuron nga ni tabi ni Tula, pero sabi ko nga ni maghuron gihapon sa iyo, yun gihapon na post office, doon ibubutang. Kaya di man siya pwede second floor. So, pwede na niyo.
Opo, pero parehas po soon, di taman maaaraman, kundi po,
Kung warasin man.
oo.
Mao po, ang proper resource person
Mao
tabi.
po, tama, tama.
Okay, so, mao yun.
Kay pag may dinis-approve ka mo na nasa second reading na may sense of urgency, ang magiging reason taman lang son is wala man sin pinadara na representative to
Apo.
justify the urgency.
Oh, mao yun po ang mapagal pag wala si nagsusponsor na
Councilor.
counselor.
Anyway,
Anyway.
sige.
Anyway,
Pwede
since
man si Adler ang pa-sponsor nito sa masunod.
anyway, wala pa man po hindi pa man approve yan to na IRP ta siguro we can still consider I don't know sa body kung okay po sa iyo. Nana po anhimuon ta sa di-refer tag po gihapon.
Arin po, Madam Chair, tabi.
Ya din na items na certified urgent.
Okay, di pa man epektibo ano.
Kung ano, Madam Chair,
I-refer.
kung halimbawa, diri na po pwede i-refer. O di i-defer ta na lang po.
Pwede pa man i-refer.
Pwede pa man po.
Apo, pwede pa man.
Okay, sige po, Madam Chair. Pwede man po.
Motion mo na. Oo. Oo.
Number 3.
Number 3 and number...
4.
So we now go to item number 4, Your Honor.
Naka-refer na, Madam Chair.
Item number 4.
Item number 4 is proposed resolution number 2026104, certified urgent. Resolution expressing full support of the local government unit of Bulan for the proposed upgrading and expansion of the Bulan Rural Health Unit, second floor for administrative offices, refurbishment of lying-in and OPD with pharmacy and diagnostic rooms under the Health System Resiliency Project, and committing to certain undertakings necessary for its implementation and sustainability.
These items refer to the Committee on Health and Public Works.
Yes, diri na.
Item number 5, proposed resolution number 2026-074, resolution granting new accreditation to the Bulan Padaraw Foundation with office address at Bulan Sorsogon for all legal intents and purposes, introduced by Councilor Geoffrey Asur.
Honorable
Okay,
Azur.
Madam Chair, under the business for the day, the item number 5, the proposed resolution number 2026-074, I move for the approval.
Second the motion.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable Azur, seconded by Honorable Yunita Gueras and Honorable Valeriano. Proposed resolution number 2026-074, it's approved.
Item number 6, Your Honor, is proposed resolution number 2025-181, certified urgent. Resolution authorizing the local chief executive to donate to the barangay government of Lahong, Bulan, Sorsogon a certain parcel of land located behind the Bulan Evacuation Center at Barangay Lahong, Bulan, Sorsogon, intended for the construction of a multipurpose covered court.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Alerguelas.
may final draft na po na kay Sir Mark. The amended draft, the amended copy and the final draft, ito na po sa kanya. Nasa GC na.
Donation.
Opo, donation. Madam Chair, let me just reiterate na ang final execution of the deed of donation will be done only after po na matapos ang survey na in commission po sa barangay. Once na makakuha po kita sing kopya, then makuha taan technical description sa kata na po pipirmahan and deed of donation through the executive. So with this, Madam Chair, I move for the approval of this proposed resolution number 2025-181.
Second the motion.
Second the
Madam Chair.
motion.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable Alerguela, seconded by Honorable Valeriano, Honorable J.R. Gordola, and Honorable Inita Guelas. Proposed resolution number 2025-181 is approved.
We now go to the business on the third and final reading, Your Honor. For item number 1, we have proposed ordinance number 12-2026, an ordinance institutionalizing the Honor Graduate Incentive Program for college graduates of Bulan Sorsogon with Latin honors from public and private schools, establishing guidelines, allocating funds, and providing penalties for abuse and for other purposes. Author, Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Thank you, Madam Chair. For proposed ordinance number 12, 2026, motion for approval po for the third and final reading.
Second.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Valeriano and Honorable Howe, proposed ordinance number 12-2026 is approved on third and final reading.
The author, Your Honor, is
Insert.
Honorable J.R. Gordola. Co-authors, Councilors Recto and Councilors Vincent Howe.
Apo.
No objection? Amo magkanto ayaw niya magpadara dito.
Kaupod ka. Kaupod ka, Sir Chi.
Diba kay matipid bang ito sa pamasa sa krono. Your Honor, we now go to the new business for next session.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Valeriano.
I would like to request to have our guest sa si Attorney Moisel Magdamit for
Monday.
the clarification regarding the kasi may core group mayor na inano si attorney sa monitoring sa price and mga commodities. Kasi ang isda talaga grabe ng presyo.
Actually, Madam Chair, if I may add, nag-issue ang DILG, di ba? Parang may ang DILG addressed all to the mayors and regional. Naimod ko lang sa Facebook na mamandahan an executive na mag-monitor sa mga prices and if kaipuhan mag-freeze, mag-issue sin irog po soon. With regards sa effects sa Iran, US-Iran war. Di ko lang mahanap, pero may nyo to DILG. Si ano mismo naghimo, si Escobar ba yan? Opo.
May price monitoring council man kita na actually dapat nag-monitor dun soon.
Permission to speak, Your Honor.
Yes, tabi.
Ang Price Monitoring Council, may kaklase ko pa noon taga DTI. Na-discuss mo yun. Ang hinihimo sa LGU, although iba ini dito sa sabi ni Kagawa doon na DILG. Pero ang nagluluwas, ang LGU ang ma-monitor, tapos i-report na sa DTI. Ang DTI ang mapatawsan penalty. Ang mahatag sin show cause order. So baga na nagluluwas, maski dito tabi baga sa price tag law ni Kagawad ni Kagawad.
Opo.
Wala dito penalty.
Wala.
Kaya may naghahatag penalty sa DTI.
DTI po.
So sa price monitoring, mao yun ang magiging bagang pinakapapel sa LGU. Ma-monitor kita
Tapos
and
ang
then
DTI ang ma-penalize.
i-report sa
DTI.
Di ko lang aram tabi ito na sabi ni Kagawad doon na DILG kung baga ino-authorize si Mayor na mag-freeze. Apa, sige. Anyway po.
Actually,
for clarification
Opo,
man.
pero
Actually, Madam Chair, may kasimbagan siguro si Attorney Moisel Magdamit kasi sometimes nakaupod ako sa team sa create na monitoring team. So, grabe talaga ang presyo na sa isda and commodities. So, mahapot man lang kita sa kanya kung nano ang...
inihimo na po sa LGU.
Opo.
Okay po.
Wala man kita sunsin resolution. Wala man yun in aid of legislation.
Padumdum lang.
Ano lang, wala man kita.
As oversight sa ordinance na hinimutan na creation sa price monitoring council. Kung ano okay, sige. Maana lang.
Okay na.
Sige po.
Madam Chair, tabi.
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
Thank you. Before we proceed to the reading or adjournment, so motion to suspend the House rules, tabi.
No objection?
Okay. So motion to include for the second reading under committee report items number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 po and their approval po for the second reading.
Second?
Any objection? Hearing none.
Madam Chair.
Honorable Azur.
Before for the approval, point of clarification, pwede ba tayo magpa-approve na nakasuspend na House rules?
Under suspended,
Actually, dapat ano,
maubaga ang sabi mo, sir.
Suspended rules.
diri mo na mag-suspend sa rules, di ba? Parang under suspended rules. Kasi pag sinuspend mo ang rules, paano na IRP ta?
Actually, ang dapat himoon is ipamove mo na sa second reading. Tapos, pag nag-okay na yung tiro, di okay na. I-move na sa second reading. Mao naman si mabalik na ang rules. Di ba? Mabalik na ang rules. Paka-move sa second reading, may ma-motion to, may ma-motion to resume the House rules. Oo. Tapos, mao na na-approval. Oh.
Sorry, Madam Chair, dabi.
Retake, take two.
Take two.
Take to.
Motion to... Sorry, Madam Chair. Since bago pa nun, IRR pa. Masunod ako.
Opo.
So, since bago ang IRR, medyo confusing pa po. Tabi, Madam Chair, pasensya na po. So, i-withdraw ko po ang motion for approval.
Okay, motion is withdrawn.
Okay. So, ang motion ko, ang pending motion ko po is for those items to be included for the second reading. Tabi. Okay.
Very good.
And motion to resume the House room.
Second motion.
A motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Azur and Honorable Howe. Those items number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are included on second reading.
Okay.
And Madam Chair, again, tabi. For those items that were moved for the second reading, I motion for their approval po.
Second, Madam Chair.
For the second reading.
Second.
Any objection? Hearing none, motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Azur and Honorable Valeriano. Items number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 under the committee report were adopted and are now approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Very good. Thank you very much, Your Honor. Talagang maganda yun, maganda.
Motion sickness kita sila.
Okay. So motion sickness. Okay, yeah. We now go to announcement, Your Honor. So for item number 1, we had from MTO the summary of collections for the month of January 2026. Another, Your Honor, is from the accounting office, trial balance of general fund, special education fund, and trust fund for February 2026. And last is the letter request dated February 25, 2026 by Mr. Darwin Hersalia, ESHT 3 of Marinab Integrated School for support or hardware materials for the rehabilitation of school facility.
Sir Chin.
Di ba mo nito?
Mayroon na po ito.
Anyway, di ko pwede man ulangon.
Okay.
Kay
Announcement
man
Okay
lang.
po.
Okay.
So, thank you, Your Honor.
For the announcement, Madam Chair.
Honorable.
Privileged speech, Your Honor.
Announcement?
For the announcement. So, I would like to invite all the members of the collegial body to take our lands.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Pakanina yung ano.
Pakanina. Privilege.
Madam Chair, privilege.
We now go to privilege hour, Your Honor.
I move for adjournment, Madam Chair.
Session adjourned. Before we all leave, makantata mo na